Today we are making pain à l'ancienne, a rustic French bread with crisp crust and airy crumb. We will transform simple ingredients into bakery quality loaves. Let's get started. Start with 500 grams of bread flour. Add 10 grams of salt, 4 grams of yeast, 398 milliliters of cold water, not freezing, just cold. Mix everything until your dough is formed. Once the dough comes together, transfer it to a lightly oiled workspace and knead for about 5 minutes. Then place it into a well-oiled bowl for proofing. Let the dough proof for 5 minutes, then start folding. Repeat the folding process 2 more times with 5-minute intervals each time. You will notice the dough becomes less sticky as the gluten develops. Once done, transfer the dough to the fridge and let it proof overnight. Take the dough out and let it come to room temperature for about 2 hours before using. Now flour your workspace. Now shape the dough into a rough oblong. Divide it into 5 equal pieces. Sprinkle some flour over the dough and gently roll each piece into a long oblong shape, roughly 20 cm long. Carefully transfer the shaped dough onto an inverted tray. This helps maintain their shape. Use scissors to score the dough. For baking, prepare a tray with hot water to pre-steam the dough. Lightly spray each piece with water for a nice crust. Bake the loaves in the preheated oven at 240 Celsius for 20 minutes. The loaves should turn golden brown within the first 9 minutes. If they bake unevenly, rotate them 180 degrees and continue baking until done.